What's up guys, Andrew Lee here, and today you're going to learn how you can add custom fonts, special symbols, and line breaks to your bio on Instagram. Here's what you need to know. There are over 1 billion people using Instagram right now. To put that number into perspective, there are only a little over 7 billion people on the entire planet. 1 in 7 human beings on planet Earth are using Instagram, which means it's harder than ever to stand out from the crowd. So here's how to add custom fonts, line breaks, and symbols to your bio on Instagram. The first thing you're going to do is download this free app called Post Builder. Just search for Post Builder in the App Store like this, tap this one, and open the app. You'll immediately be taken to the Post Builder homepage. So Post Builder lets you customize everything all in one place, and it's super easy. So for example, if you're trying to make a unique bio for your Instagram, simply type out the text you want in your bio and include the line breaks how you want it to look in Instagram. Then go in and add emojis, fonts, and symbols at the end. And here's how to change the fonts. So go up here and tap the fonts button, and there's a drop down. And from here you can select from 60 different unique fonts. So simply highlight the text that you want to change for when you're inputting new fonts like this. We'll make this bold. And it's super easy. So once you finish, simply tap the copy caption button right here, and then paste this text into your Instagram profile like this. Click done, and that's it. So important note, the character limit for your Instagram bio is currently at a maximum of 150 characters. But there's a character counter automatically updating when you type inside Post Builder, so it makes it super easy so you don't go over. If you're watching this and haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, be sure to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video, or if you found this video helpful. It would really have a tremendous impact in helping my videos reach more and more people through the YouTube algorithm.